name is Tanvija Manindran.
My name is Nur Panarin Mori.
Appointment is third call. Role is student A, telephone operator and college communication. Tanda student B, staff operator wawasan. Berhal.
I'm student A.
I'm student B.
Good morning, College Community Sanakai. How may I assist you today?
Good morning, this is staff operator wawasan Berhal. I did like to speak to Mr. Joseph. Where can you help us?
Certainly, please hold the line while I check if he's available.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you for holding. I'm sorry, but Mr. Joseph is currently not in his office.
Oh, I see. Actually, I call you. Please tell me Mr. Joseph will be back later today, or there is better than for to call me back.
I'm afraid I'm not sure about his exact schedule. Would you like to leave a message instead?
Yes, please. I would like to make appointment to meet him next week Friday at 2 p.m. to discuss a community project.
Let me confirm the message. You would like to meet Mr. Joseph next Friday at 2 p.m. to talk about a community project. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
May I have your names and contact number, please?
My name is Tanvija Manindran. My contact number is 010-244-0176.
Thank you. I will make sure Mr. Joseph receives your message and contact you if needed.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Part 2.
Changing appointment.
Student A and student B.
Good morning. Will I speak to Mr. Joseph Kitigan, please?
Good morning. Hi. How may I help you?
Sorry, Mr. Joseph. This is Mrs. Nurul from Bank Wawasan. I'm calling about our appointment next Friday at 2 p.m. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend due to a medical appointment.
Alright, I'm aware of it now. Thank you for letting me know. When would you like to reschedule for the meeting?
Would Wednesday at 9 a.m. be convenient for you?
Let me check my schedule. Yes, I'm available on Wednesday at 9 a.m.
Excellent. So we will meet on Wednesday at 9 a.m. in your office.
Yes, that's fine. I will meet you there every Friday.
Thank you very much for your understanding. I really appreciate your time.
You are most welcome. By the way, would you like to prepare any specific document or report for the meeting?
Yes, if you could bring the update financial report, that would be very helpful.
No, I will have it ready before our meeting.
Wonderful. Thank you again, Mr. Joseph.
So, wishing you a pleasant day.
You too. Goodbye.
Part 3.
Complaint about a smartphone.
Student A and Student B.
Hello, good afternoon. May I speak to the survey, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, I'm speaking. How I can help you?
I recently bought a smartphone from you, but unfortunately, there's an issue with it.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for letting me know. Will you prefer that exchange the call phone and send it or repair or give you a refund?
I think I prefer an exchange if that's possible.
Oh, of course, I can arrange for exchange. Please bring the phone along with the receipt and I will give the replacement. I'm really sorry for the problem.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your quick response.
You are welcome. And once I get fully regret the issues, I will make sure don't happen again.
Alright, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.